Alright YouTube, welcome back to another video. So we're gonna check out some boats and some motorcycles. Try to do something different and some 4x4s. So hopefully they don't say nothing if I'm over here. And yeah, let's check it out. So we got some what are these? Jet skis? I don't even know what I'm doing, but yeah, it looks like some, yeah, they are jet skis. So we got a few over here. We got this, I think these are those slingshots. Yeah, slingshots over here. There's another slingshot back there I wanted to take a look at. I definitely want to buy a jet ski and a boat. Jet ski and a boat. And 4x4. Y'all see this one. This one's tiny. Looks real nice. And they got the green slingshot over here. They got this over here. This is a 2022. I don't know anything about these. I just wanted to take a look at them for the first time. Oh, there's a Razor back here. Look like it got some aftermarket suspension work, which looks pretty cool. Another jet ski, another 4x4, another 4x4 jet ski over here. So we're gonna have to like start doing some more research on these things, because I don't only want to stick to buying and selling cars. And you guys also see the commercial vans over there. So that's another market I want to get into as well. And we did check out that Audi last time. So, and that Camry. And they got a bunch of motorcycles over here, if y'all can see. But we're gonna go check out some pickup trucks now. Hopefully they got the RVs over there as well. They got the Ram over here. Pretty bad damage. But we want to see some of these other pickup trucks. They got this. They got the Ford. They got another Ford. So I'm not really going into them because I'm trying to get out of here. What is this? It's a GMC Sierra Duramax. So y'all know what that is. They got the winch on the Bronco. Bronco looking a little crusty. But you could restore this. Let's see. The interior don't look too bad, but everything else is rotted out. So I'm trying to go see this pickup truck over here, the red one over there. I'll show you guys. So yeah, let me check these ones out and I'll be back. Okay, so we got a Rebel back there. What is this? This is a Silverado. We're trying to see one of them trucks over there. I think it's somewhere back here. And y'all see them hard at work, man. Hard at work. All that dust blowing right back at me. So let me turn around. That's why I gotta start. And I found two more cars that I wanted to see. So, but this is a truck and boat video, so I'm not gonna record those. So this is not the truck I'm looking for. The truck I'm looking for is literally just like this, but it's a 4-door. It's a 4-door. It's a 4-door. This one a little rusty. Does have power. And since I'm over here, let's turn that off. It's missing the catch. So, yeah. Something going on with it. But it's all good, man. It's all good. So a lot of pickup trucks over here. I hope I could find the one I was looking for. And yeah, oh, I think I might have found it. So there's a lot of trucks out here. So you want to start flipping trucks. This is another one that I wanted to look at. I think this one might have been stolen. It says police abandoned notice. So somebody abandoned this, which means, I mean, it's pretty disgusting up in here. Holy. Actually, we're leaving this. There's mouse poo up in here. Hell no. That's disgusting. So we're not messing with that. We got the Super Duty. Missing the back on it. So this is my first time recording all of this. I've never been back on this side. And I want to kind of get into pickup trucks because it's about to be winter soon. And I think it'll be a good transition for the winter. So this is the one I was trying to look at. This is the one 4-door. They said it's rear-ended, but I couldn't see. Oh, so it's missing the. It's missing something. It's missing one of the. It's missing one of the mufflers or something, I guess. When it got rear-ended, it does have some rust. These trucks are always rusty, but they're good running trucks, is what you gotta know. And this one got a Pioneer screen in it. So let's just see what it does. Oh yeah. 186 on the miles. It's got blue. You can't really see, but it sounds good. I like that. That sounds really good. Let's check up under the hood. If I bought this, what would I do with it though? Would I sell it? I'd probably sell it. Honestly, you could sell these all day. So, let's see if the hood's gonna open. It does have the Vortec. Basically the same truck that I have at my house, which is good, so we can record this and see what the heck I'm messing up or missing. It should look like that. There's 2 bolts there. It should be going like that. Okay. And how does the computer mount? Computer should be mounted up like that. So yeah, I need to see all this stuff because my truck is in pieces. So, yep. It's probably the last truck we're looking at. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to do something different. And I just wanted to look at some trucks and some boats and some motorcycles to do something different. Because they do have a variety of things out here. It's not just cars. Y'all see the truck and y'all see me in it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want this scanner, just go to Amazon. This is the Foxwell Master Auto Master Pro. thing is 180 bucks. Pretty good scanner. It'll check engine codes, transmission codes, airbag codes, and ABS and traction control. So like, share, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it. It's your boy D from D's Auto, and we out.